Learning English is very easy when you know how to make sentences. Okay, so if I give you my example, if I make a okay, so there is a lake in my behind. If I try to make a sentence about the water of this lake, it will be the water of this lake look fresh. Look, the water of this lake is look like very fresh. Okay, so yeah, if you know how to make sentences, then you can able to speak in English. So yeah, making sentence is very important. And okay, so there is in my behind there is a sun. It's a morning time. So if I may, okay, so the sunlight is actually shining on the water of this lake. If I try to make a sentence about this, the sunlight is that will be the sunlight is shining on the water of this lake. Okay, so if you make these kinds of sentence what around you in your environment, then you can practice your English, then you can able to improve in your English. Okay, so if I show you in my behind there are few cars roaming the vehicle. I mean the auto rickshaw is very famous in our area, and most of the time the roads are fulfilled with this auto rickshaw. Okay, so if I make a sentence about this, there are so many auto rickshaws moving in the street now. Okay, so if you know how to make sentences in the thing that around you, that will be help you to learn English. So it's very important to make sentences what around you, what surrounded you. So try to make sentences every time whatever you have, or no problem if you don't have time to make video, try to make sentences wherever you are. If you are outside of your home, then try to make sentences in your mindly. Don't you need to say this sentence loudly, try to speak in your mind. Okay, so that will help you to learn English. Okay, so don't forget to make sentences, and don't forget to practice your video, practice your English regularly. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. All the very best.